Dear friends, this video explains the pathetic, inhuman and degrading treatment that have been going on unabated in the lives and livelihoods of SAFAI KARAMCHARIS or Manuel Scavengers even after 75 years of Indian independence. What is meant by SAFAI KARAMCHARI means a person engaged in or employed for manually carrying human excreta or any sanitation work. In order to eliminate this sort of waste system, a National Commission for SAFAI KARAMCHARIS Act 1993 was enacted by the Parliament and came into force on 12/8/1994. More importantly, the Indian Parliament enacted the Prevention of Employment as Manuel Scavengers and the Rehabilitation Act 2013, which criminalized manual scavenging and to provide alternative employment and fixed responsibility to the local authorities to implement the act, but nothing has moved positively in this direction. Dear viewers, all these measures, this social menace has been existing even in this 21st modern India, and the larger goal of the act to correct the historical wrongs and injustices that had been meted out to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe community members who had been engaged in this such a dehumanizing practice for decades together because of the caste based hierarchical system that have been existing in India for several centuries. In the Rajya Sabha last year, it was identified that nearly about 66,692 SAFAI KARAMCHARIS, that is Manuel Scavengers, have been prevalent in India, and admitted that more than 900 people had died while cleaning sewers and septic tanks. The Supreme Court of India on many occasions came to the rescue of the SAFAI KARAMCHARIS, and in the year 2019, it has categorically held that the human beings who are employed for doing the works in the sewers cannot be treated as mechanical robots who may not be affected by the poisonous gas in the manholes. In the year 2019 also, it has rightly upheld that in no country people are sent to gas chambers to die. Every month, 4 to 5 people lose their lives to manual scavengers. Despite all these legal measures, and the Supreme Court of India, the AFX Court have held in favor of eliminating these injustices that have been existing in society, still it is continuing is a cause of concern for all the people who love democracy and human dignity in all possible ways to be implemented in the lives and the livelihoods of manual scavengers. Thank you so much.